Welcome to Polishup's Airflow polishing kits. The kits can be used with barrel polisher machines or variable speed polisher sander type machines. You'll require a tapered spindle adapter to secure the polishing wheel to your polishing machine. The advantage of the Airflow polishing wheel is the coolness at which they are able to work, preventing the metal surfaces from becoming too hot. The kits generally consist of yellow treated airflow polishing wheels with a cutting compound and natural airflow polishing wheels and a finishing compound. We strongly suggest that you prepare your surface with wet and dry 800 to 1500 abrasive paper. The devil's in the detail. The better you prep the surface, the better your finish is going to be. So once you've completed sanding the surface and removing all the blemishes, dips and scratches, you'll then move on to the cutting combination, which consists of the treated airflow with your cutting compound. What this is going to do is remove all those abrasive marks and provide you with a dullish type finish. During the polishing process, we suggest that you freshen your polishing wheel up with a wire brush and reapply compound. This should be done at least every 2 to 3 minutes. The polishing wheel has a tendency to pick up alloy or the metal that you're working with, and in doing so it begins to create fleck marks on the surface, which can be very frustrating. Once that's done, you'll then move over to use the natural airflow with the finishing compound. This should bring your metal surface up to a very high finish. It's at this stage that you can use your metal polish to finish the job off. If you do have any questions or require some advice, please don't hesitate to contact us.